Hey Bentley. Hey you. Hey guys, it's been a while. I know. Stop laughing, you. It's a new car day, it's a new day, it's a new house, it's new everything, and let's go. Even received flowers from the shop for you. No license plate on the front, but we're gonna put one on just to make it home, and then we're gonna put it with magnets, like with the M4. And we're gonna go to J-Wheels to change those wheels and tires, because they're cool, but they're not that cool. Whoop! Lego! First kilometers. Whoop! Whoop!
Toch ziet het er naar uit.
Quick sandwich, and then after J-Wheels to change those little wheels. Sandwich with the view. Nom, 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 nom. We made it to J-Wheels. I know this scarf somewhere. It's here to change the air suspension with the KW coilover kit, but it takes some time. And these are the Vossens. Say goodbye to the ugly wheels. This tire, Yokohama. Test if this one fits And if it does, I'm gonna order a fifth wheel. Because having this wheel on looks stupid. J-wheels! He hates to be on camera. Jeroen! 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 Ta-da. Ta-da. Does it fit? Good. Put away the thingy. So, we're gonna end the vlog here. Delivery went great, wheels fitting went great. We love the car. It's pretty good upgrade in comparison to the van, which I drove for 12 years. Okay, so ciao! See you in the next vlog in 3 years or so. No. We're gonna try to keep up vlog.